welcome back my channel. The 2025 Ducati Streetfighter V4 continues the Italian brand's legacy of crafting and compromising high-performance motorcycles with aggressive styling and race-inspired engineering. Derived from the Panigale V4 superbike platform, this naked roadster combines raw power with advanced electronics and design refinement, appealing to riders who want track-level performance in a street-legal package. At the heart of the 2025 Streetfighter V4 is the formidable Desmosedici Stradale 1103cc V4 engine, delivering an adrenaline-pumping 208 horsepower at 13,000 revolutions per minute and 123 Nm of torque at 9,500 revolutions per minute. This power plant remains one of the most thrilling engines available in a production motorcycle, offering a broad power band and a spine-tingling exhaust note. For those who want even more, Ducati offers an Akrapovic racing exhaust system that boosts power further while reducing weight. The bike's design philosophy mirrors Ducati's signature fight formula: strip the fairings, add high and wide handlebars, reduce weight, and leave the Panigale's performance foundation intact. This results in a machine that feels light, agile, and responsive while maintaining the visceral excitement of a superbike. The 2025 model sharpens this formula with subtle design updates, including aerodynamic enhancements that improve stability and cooling. Winglets on either side of the radiator are more integrated than ever, providing downforce without compromising the minimalist aesthetic. Handling is a core part of the Streetfighter experience, and Ducati has ensured that the chassis is optimized for both aggressive canyon carving and urban maneuverability. The bike features a front frame derived from Moto design, providing stiffness and feedback. Suspension duties are handled by Showa big piston forks at the front and a Sachs monoshock at the rear for the standard V4, while the V4S version steps up with fully electronic Öhlins suspension. The result is a bike that can be plush on the street and razor sharp on the track at the touch of a button. In terms of electronics, the 2025 Streetfighter V4 is a showcase of Ducati's cutting-edge rider aids. The 6-axis IMU enables a comprehensive suite of safety and performance features, including cornering ABS, slide control, wheelie control, engine brake control, and traction control. The latest generation quickshifter allows clutchless up and down shifts with remarkable smoothness. 3 riding modes, street, sport, and race, let riders fine-tune throttle response, power delivery, and electronic interventions to suit their preferences or conditions. Ducati has also paid close attention to ergonomics. The upright riding position, compared to the more aggressive stance of the Panigale, makes the Streetfighter more comfortable for longer rides and daily use, while still retaining a sporty character. The seat is well padded and positioned to give the rider a commanding view of the road, and the wide handlebars provide excellent leverage for quick transitions. The bike also features a full-color 5-inch TFT display with a new layout for 2025, offering more intuitive access to ride settings and telemetry. Smartphone connectivity via Ducati's multimedia system adds further convenience, enabling music, calls, and navigation display. Riders can also log ride data or connect to Ducati Link for remote diagnostics and customization. Braking performance is top tier, with Brembo-style calipers paired with dual 330mm discs up front and a 245mm disc at the rear. The setup delivers precise, powerful stopping power that inspires confidence at any speed. Lightweight forged wheels, on the S version, and sticky Pirelli Diablo Rosso IV tires round out the handling package, ensuring grip and feedback in all conditions. Beyond the performance and technology, the 2025 Ducati Streetfighter V4 is a statement of design and presence. Whether in its classic Ducati red or the new darker, stealth-inspired colors, it demands attention. Every surface, curve, and component serves both function and form, making it as much a visual masterpiece as it is a performance machine. In a segment where extremes are the norm, the 2025 Streetfighter V4 manages to elevate itself even further. It blends brutal power with refined electronics, superbike DNA with street comfort, and iconic design with modern innovation. For riders who crave the essence of a superbike in a more versatile, everyday package but with none of the thrill diminished, this machine remains an irresistible choice. Ducati hasn't just refined the Streetfighter, it's reaffirmed